this is how you can change the details on any flyer in case you don't have a PSD file. I'm going to show you how to do that in 2 ways. I'm going to do it manually in Photoshop, and then I'll also show you how to do that using AI. So let's begin with Photoshop. So right here in Photoshop, you have to import the flyer that you are going to work on. This is the flyer that you are going to work on. I don't have the PSD. All I have is the JPEG. So to start, let's uncheck this. Let's click on the padlock here to make sure the layer is unlocked. For this one, I'm just going to change the image on it. That is, I'm going to change the picture on it. If you want to change the details like the text details and everything, you need to get the exact font that the designer used. What you are going to do is that we are going to create a shape that is equal to the shape of the one the designer used. You can see right here that this is a rectangle, and then they've round 2 of the top corners. So you have to right click on the shape, select rectangle, and then draw the rectangle. So for you to see what you are doing clearly, turn off the fill and then turn on the stroke. Use any color that is going to make it visible so you see what you are doing, like this. Let's zoom in like so. Now when you are done, don't forget activate your fill. So let's choose this, and then let's turn off the stroke like so. Now what we have to do is that you have to round the corners as the shape behind it. So to round the top corners, come to the properties panel, and then you can see appearance, open it up like so, scroll down, and you can see this 0px 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 here. Now turn off this link. This link is going to link everything together. So if I change one thing, everything is going to change, but I don't want to change everything. I want to change just the top of it. So let's bring this one back to 0 and uncheck this and change first this one, something like this. 95 will do. So the same thing, I'm going to do that here, 95, and then that's it for that. And I'm going to import the image that I want to replace that with. So this is the image that I am going to use. Clip mask it into the shape like so. I am good to go. So you can position it anyhow you want it. You can retouch it. That's how we do it in Photoshop. But before we proceed to how to change this with AI, if you are watching this video before 7th August 2026, then I'm pleading with you to vote so we can win this together. Yeah, this is a real event that is happening here in Kenya University, and we have been nominated as the Media Influencer of the Year, and we need your vote so we can win together. So this is how you can vote. If you are in Ghana, you just dial *928 *226#, and then you send any network. It is going to work. MTN, Telecel, any network, it is going to work for you. Now over here, enter your nominee code. My code is N77C, and then you tap on send. Now over here, confirm the name, the nominee name, BrainTech. Confirm that before you proceed. So BrainTech is there, and then as you can see, 1 vote is equal to 1 Ghana cedi. Type in any number of votes that you want to support me with. So let's say 100 votes, which is 100 cedis. You send, and then over here you can see the nominee name, everything. You confirm everything. The network is MTN, confirm, and then you go ahead and you confirm the payment by typing in your Momo pin and everything to confirm the vote. Thank you very much for your support. But in case you don't want to go through this process, you can send the money to me via the number on the screen, and then I'll do the voting myself. And if you are outside Ghana, you can still vote. Just scan this QR code right here, and you can support with any amount that you want to support us with. Regardless of the country you live in, just scan this QR code. I really appreciate your support, and thank you very much. God richly bless you. So with the next one, we're going to use AI, and we're going to use LMArena.ai. We're going to use this one to edit the image on the flyer. Now over here you can see battle mode. Click on it and then select direct, because we are not going to battle for anything. And then for the max, click on it and then select image. Scroll down. After selecting the image, scroll down, and then you can see Gemini. Select the Gemini and then click add files. We are going to add the flyer first, and then add files again, and then we select the image. Now we are going to say replace the picture on the flyer with the one I have imported without changing anything else. Yeah, and hopefully sometimes if you don't add this, they just change something that you don't want them to change. So enter. Let's go. Yeah, so that is the results it gave us. It's changed the picture, but when you look closely, you can see that it has changed the originality or the authenticity of the picture. So this is what I did with Photoshop, and this is what the AI gave me. So compare the details very well, especially the picture on it, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And once again, don't forget to vote so we can win this together. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, quench not your creativity. Peace.